Marami. Pero I guess mostly it was because of yung pregnancy ni Marian, and yun din yung taon ko kailan ng anak si Baby Zia, ay si Leticia. So sabi ko, I'd like to give all my time to my family.
Ano yung mga discoveries mo about Angelica this time? Kasi yung last time na magkasama kayo sa movie, One More Try.
Well, gaya sabi ko, yeah, she just gets better and better. Siguro parang yung mga projects and roles na nabibigay sa kanya as she is maturing, mas bumabagay at bumabagay kasi yung pagganap niya, there's really kumbaga sobrang ang daming truth to it, not only siguro sa kanyang interpretation, kundi sa nangyayari sa kapaligiran. Like what I said, dati medyo tabu pag-usapan yung ganitong klaseng story, but now I think openly pwede na nating pagdebatihan yung ganitong klaseng sitwasyon.
How about kay Paolo Avellino? Was it your first time to work?
Si Paolo, kasama ko siya sa Starstruck, and I'm happy na nakatrabaho ko siya finally on screen. Although we only have a few scenes together, pero yun din pala isa sa mga kailangan ng confrontation din ng dalawang lalaki para syempre gusto nilang patunayan kung ano yung pinaglalaban nila, di ba? And I'm happy that I got to work with him, and proud ako sa narating niya dahil noon pa lang nung nakita ko siya sa Starstruck, I was one of the hosts when he won. And sabi ko, he will really go on our way this year.
As na how are you enjoying your father? Grabe, parang hindi